Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be tackling Lucas's bedroom. So if you're interested to see how I get on with my decluttering and organisation, just continue to watch. That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this right. So hi guys, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Juliette and today I'm going to be decluttering my youngest son's bedroom. Now I am going to be decorating this room in the foreseeable future, but it's just been Christmas and Lucas's birthday is also the 21st of December, so as you can imagine the room is absolutely full. We've still got things to build, we've still got a couple of toys downstairs, and he hasn't got that much. It is just the fact of he's getting to that age where, you know, it's like the next stage of toys. So I just want to give it a good clear out. I've got like this cube unit here that I'm going to go through. I've just basically bought everything up and put it down here. He's got his trampoline in here, which I just want to have it so that it's empty with just the trampoline on the floor, so he's got room to play. He's not in the biggest room of the house. I want to redecorate. I've put all his cuddly toys on here. I've got to change his bed. I'm getting rid of this horrible poo wall eventually, because we painted that when we had the nursery and I just really don't like it. It's called Soft Truffle by Dulux, but it's so much darker. It actually doesn't look as dark in there as it is in real life. So we're going to go for like an Avengers theme, I think, but for now I'm just going to try and sort through everything I've got into boxes and get started with that first.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
Okay, so I'm finally finished. So there are still things that need to be done. This was literally kind of a declutter and tidy. I've rechanged his bed out of his Christmas things now. I got these boxes from Aldi actually. So I fit all his roadway set in there. His trampoline is nice, pride of place. And then I've tried to organise this as best as possible. So I have taken out a few things downstairs. A lot of his wooden toys. I probably will sell his Ark now as well, because that's probably a little too young for him. So I'm going to get rid of like his wooden sorting blocks and things like that. I've put out the bigger toys that he plays with on the side. They're playing in the garden. I've built his garage, which took me forever, that's why I didn't do it on camera, but then I've organised these all. So I actually put some drawers in here and not long back, and it really helps for like little bits like this. And then I've got like his wooden toys there. Again, I think they might go soon now as well, because I think he has outgrown those as well. But then I've organised it into fancy dress and builders things. That's his Duplo. Then I've got his other like tools in there, and that's the railway set he had, and then books in here. So it's not perfect because I actually want to like create a bookshelf either on this space here or over here, because I'm going to get rid of his cuddly toys. That is a cube unit to get rid of, so there's still like loads to do. It's got to be decorated and organised, but that is so much better, and at least he can play with things now. That is all done. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. And until next time guys, I'm gonna go and get a drink. Bye.